Snake handling, balancing confidence and caution. Snake handling, balancing confidence and caution. Snakes have long captivated the human imagination, often eliciting both fascination and fear. For some, the idea of handling these slithering reptiles seems like a death-defying act, while others fin. Joy and purpose in the art of snake handling. Balancing confidence and caution is paramount when engaging with these creatures, as it allows for a deeper understanding and minimizes risks associated. With snake handling. Snake handling, an age-old practice, has roots in various cultures across the globe. While it can be seen as an extreme endeavor, it is important to acknowledge the cultural, historical, and religious significance associated with these practices. Snake handling has been prevalent in religious ceremonies, such as the snake handling Christian sects found in certain parts of the United States. How? This article primarily focuses on the hobbyist and professional snake enthusiasts who handle snakes for educational, conservation, or hobby purposes. For those who engage in snake handling, confidence is key. These individuals possess a deep understanding of snake behavior, morphology, and proper handling techniques. Confidence stems from years of experience and education, ensuring that these handlers are well equipped to interact with snakes safely. They are often knowledgeable about the different species, their venom potentials, and the various threats they may pose. This understanding instills confidence that allows handlers to make informed decisions when engaging with snakes. However, confidence should not be confused with recklessness. It should be tempered by caution. Caution is essential in snake handling because even experienced handlers cannot always predict how a snake will behave. Despite their expertise, handlers must remain vigilant in assessing the snakes. Body language, reactions, and mood. This constant evaluation helps them adapt their approach accordingly, ensuring the safety of both the snake and the handler. Caution is especially important when handling venomous species, as the stakes are higher due to the danger associated with their bites. Education plays a crucial role in building confidence and caution when it comes to snake handling. Aspiring snake enthusiasts and handlers should undergo comprehensive training programs to understand the biology, ecology, and behavior of the snakes they wish to handle. These programs should also cover techniques for safe handling and the importance of maintaining proper husbandry practices. Furthermore, gaining hands-on experience under the guidance of experienced handlers can significantly enhance one's confidence and caution. Mentoring programs or apprenticeships provide beginners with the opportunity to observe and assist skilled handlers. This practical exposure not only lets newcomers witness safe handling techniques firsthand but also allows them to develop their own skills. Supervised, hands-on interactions. Building confidence and caution in snake handling also involves being well prepared and equipped. Appropriate protective gear, such as snake hooks, tongs, gloves, and sturdy clothing, can reduce the risk of injury during handling. Ensuring that the handling environment is secure, such as using escape-proof enclosures or secured outdoor spaces, also adds an extra layer of safety. It is also important to recognize the limits of one's own abilities and knowledge. No one is an expert on every species of snake, and it is crucial to develop a specialization in order to handle specific species safely. A handler who specializes in pythons, for example, may not have the necessary knowledge or experience to handle venomous elapids. Understanding these limitations and seeking Aussie stance or guidance for unfamiliar species is essential in maintaining safety for both handler and snake. In addition to confidence and caution, respect for the snakes being handled should never be overlooked. Snakes are sentient beings, and they deserve to be treated with care and reverence. Handlers mew. Dedicate themselves to the ethical treatment and welfare of these creatures. Proper nourishment, appropriate enclosure sizes, and regular veterinary care are all essential aspects of responsible snake stewardship. Snake handling can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor for both hobbyists and professionals alike. It allows for the education and conservation of these mesmerizing creatures while reducing the misconceptions and fears that surround them. However, achieving a balance between confidence and caution is paramount. Confidence in one's abilities and knowledge should be met with a healthy dose of caution and respect for the unpredictable nature of snakes. Continued. When it comes to snake handling, it is also important to consider the legal and ethical aspects. Laws and regulations regarding snake handling vary from country to country and even within different regions. Handlers must familiarize themselves with these regulations to ensure they are operating within the boundaries set by local authorities. Additionally, ethical considerations should be taken into account when deciding to handle snakes. It is crucial to prioritize the well-being of the snakes and to avoid contributing to the illegal pet trade or engaging in harmful practices. Snake handling can be a fascinating way to connect with the natural world and to educate others about these often misunderstood creatures. Many snake handlers take on the responsibility of conservati by breeding and raising snakes in captivity, contributing to the preservation of rare or endangered species. Educational outreach programs that include snake handling demonstrations can also help dispel common myths and fears, promoting a more informed and positive view of snakes. While the art of snake handling should be celebrated, it is not without risks. Snake bites, though rare when proper precautions are taken, can still occur. Handlers must always be prepared for emergencies and should have a plan in place for seeking medical assistance in case of bites or other injuries. Snake venom can be dangerous or even deadly, so prompt and appropriate medical care is crucial. If a handler is bitten, proper hygiene practices, regular health checkups for the snakes, and maintaining clean and sanitized handling equipment are all important measures to mitigate these risks. Continued. As snake handling is a multifaceted endeavor, it is important to consider the various perspectives and opinions surrounding the practice. Some individuals believe that snake handling should be entirely prohibited due to the inherent risks and potential harm to both humans and snakes. Others argue that as long as proper precautions are taken and the well-being of the snakes is prioritized, snake handling can be a valuable tool for education, research, and conservation. Education and public outreach are crucial components of responsible snake handling. By sharing their knowledge and experiences, snake handlers can help dispel common misconceptions and fears surrounding snakes. They can also promote the importance of conservation efforts and the value of these remarkable creatures in maintaining ecological balance. These events can help foster a deeper appreciation and understanding of snakes, encouraging more positive attitudes towards them. Snake handling, balancing confidence and caution. Snakes are creatures that have long fascinated and inspired both fear and awe in humans. The act of handling snakes is seen by some as a daring and dangerous endeavor, while others find joy in purpose. Say in the art of snake handling. Snake handling is an ancient practice that can be found in various cultures around the world. It is important to acknowledge the cultural, historical, and religious significance associated with these practices, even if some see them as extreme. The focus of this article, however, will mainly be on hobbyists and professional snake enthusiasts who handle snakes for educational, conservation, or hobby purposes. Confidence is a key attribute for those who engage in snake handling. These individuals possess a deep understanding of snake behavior, morphology, and proper handling techniques. Confidence is the product of years of experience and education, allowing handlers to interact with snakes safely. They are knowledgeable about different species, the potential venom they possess, and the threats they pose. This understanding instills confidence that empowers handlers to make informed decisions when engaging with snakes. However, it is important to note that confidence should not be mistaken for recklessness. It should always be coupled with caution. Caution is vital in snake handling, as even experienced handlers cannot always predict how a snake will behave. Regardless of their expertise, handlers must remain vigilant in assessing the snake's